Welcome to our review of the Tricycle RV Kitchen Camper 2025. This innovative camper is a game changer for those who love minimalist travel with maximum functionality. Designed with urban explorers and adventure seekers in mind, this compact RV brings together style, efficiency, and practicality. Let's dive into the details and explore what makes this model stand out. The first thing you'll notice is its unique tricycle design, which makes it eco-friendly and easy to navigate through tight spaces. Perfect for cityscapes, narrow trails, or even a leisurely ride along the coast. The electric-powered motor provides a quiet and sustainable ride, with a range of up to 60 miles on a single charge. The lightweight aluminum frame ensures durability without compromising mobility. Now, let's talk about the kitchen. This camper features a fully equipped kitchenette, complete with a fold-out countertop, a single-burner stove, and a mini fridge. Despite its compact size, the design is optimized to give you all the essentials you need to whip up a meal on the go. There's even a small sink with a water-pumped system for easy cleanup. The storage options are cleverly integrated throughout the camper. You'll find hidden compartments under the seat and along the sides, offering plenty of room for utensils, groceries, and other travel essentials. For those who love to travel light, this camper has all the right solutions. When it comes to comfort, the Tricycle RV Kitchen Camper 2025 doesn't disappoint. The sleeping area folds out from the back, converting into a cozy space for one or two people. The mattress is compact yet comfortable, perfect for a good night's rest after a day of exploring. Setting it up is a breeze. The modular design allows you to transition from travel mode to camping mode in just a few minutes. Everything has its place, ensuring the process is intuitive and hassle-free. One of the standout features is its solar panel system. This eco-friendly addition powers the kitchen appliances and lighting, reducing the need for external charging. It's perfect for off-grid adventures, giving you the freedom to explore without limitations. Now let's talk about the price point. The Tricycle RV Kitchen Camper 2025 is positioned as an affordable alternative to traditional campers, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious travelers. It's also low maintenance, which means fewer costs in the long run. The Tricycle RV Kitchen Camper is not without its limitations. The compact size means it's best suited for solo travelers or couples. Additionally, the limited range of the electric motor might require careful planning for longer trips. However, these trade-offs are minimal when you consider the convenience and versatility it offers. If you're looking for an innovative, eco-friendly, and functional travel companion, the Tricycle RV Kitchen Camper 2025 is worth considering. Its clever design, practical features, and affordability make it an excellent choice for modern adventurers. Thanks for watching our review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content like this. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Tricycle RV Kitchen Camper 2025, and we'll see you in the next video. Safe travels!